Hey, I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. We work on classic cars. We've been at this location 38 years. We can service your classic car, we can restore your classic car, or we can bring your classic car up into the great condition that it needs to be in so that you can drive it on weekends and enjoy it. One of the problems that classic cars have is rust. It's hard to drive cars when you have holes in the floor. So Mark here is restoring a 66 Datsun Roadster. It's loaded with rust. Look at these parts here that are all completely rusted out. Here's some of the rust that you can see that was on this car. Look at that large hole right there. Look at this piece that's laying on Mark's lap. Some of the metal is totally missing. And the piece that he has here that mounts the body to the frame. All of this is rusted, and Mark's going to replace it with new metal that he has made himself. So he's going to install that channel right there and bring this car back into condition so that we can drive it on a daily basis.